Hey, what's going on, guys? Carter back again at the boat, and today we're gonna be cleaning the engine. Basically, it's really early in the morning, about 7 o'clock, like I always try to do. And it's really cold. So far, by the looks of it, it's not too bad to clean, but let me see what I can do with at least one wipe for now. Just so that way. Yeah, we're having a little bit of, looks like gas maybe? It's not really coming off. So, I guess that job was done then. So that's going to need its own natural degreaser that I'm going to have to get. As of right now, I'm going to turn this engine so I can look on this side of the engine and see what I can clean. Good God. It's like nothing moved. I mean, just literally by the looks of it, nothing really needs to be cleaned. It's just old. I mean, not much I can clean, to be honest. Well, I guess my job here is done with that. I do actually want to clean the outer side of the boat. Here, I'll show you that. Here's the outer side of the boat. I just want to clean like the edge, clean off all the tools, and just clean it off. Overall, it's not too bad looking. Just gotta clean it off, and still gotta clean off the front end. Solar panels are fine. Put the antenna back. Check some tires again. But like I said, the engine's overall pretty clean. Especially once you start getting new parts in there and stuff, they just look way better. There's one spot that I do know that do need it. Yeah, that's all the old glue. But this is what I want. Yeah, there we go. You're just gonna take that out. And then, so far so good. This side doesn't have it though, so that's good. Overall, I'll just have to do some vacuuming because the carpet's just a little dirty. But overall, not too bad. Not too bad at all. But I'll catch you guys a little later once I actually start getting the vacuum going and all that. So, hey, what's going on, guys? Back at the boat again, and now we got to start doing the vacuuming. So we got some cord just sitting around, do some bit of cleaning. I got a couple bricks down here to maximize our holding fuel. So we got just about a full tank. It's almost fully cleaned down there. Gotta reattach our sink because it's loose. old water, my shoes. Once you guys kind of get a good look of how it really looks for now, and we'll move this out of the way. And then as this goes, we'll get cleaner, and then we'll come up straight through here, and then we'll finish off the vacuuming. Windows are already done. And yeah, so I'll get back to you in about halfway. Here we are back. Looks a bit cleaner, but some stuff wouldn't just come out, so I just did the best I could. Everything looks nice. Cleaned up some of the wires, put some tools away, and still gotta put some more things away, but cleaned a little bit down there, moved some things around, took out that water bottle. I'll vacuum down there in about a week. I had to bring my jacket in, put all this stuff away, like extra wiring goes inside the toolbox right here. You have your soldering iron, and then you put your wiring in. Usually if it doesn't fit, then we don't put it in. So we just leave it like this. Yep, and then pretty soon I'll have to get a new box. Cleaned off some of the seats. I think that was it. I already mentioned the gas. I gotta put these buoys away. Put my drain plug back into that one after I clean that out. Cleaning all the other outer edges. Front's still pretty clean. That's just cardboard. I gotta bring that back in. Alright. Yeah, guys. This will probably conclude. Well, probably won't conclude the episode yet, because I probably have other things or whatever I need to do. You might see different clips. That's because it's different part of the days. Different things were shot different times. So if you see a different part of the time or day, then you'll know why. So yeah. Alright, nice seeing you guys. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share, post notifications, all that. I think that's it. Yeah. Well, anyways, see you guys tomorrow, and I got one big surprise to tell you guys. So stay tuned, and we'll find out tomorrow. Peace, guys.